Everyone is scared of giving the solution away on the call. In sales training, they're like, don't do it. You will lose the sale. Keep it vague. Vagueness can make the other person feel like they don't understand what the hell you're doing for them. They don't move forward, because in a sales conversation with you is always coming from a place of uncertainty. Being vague is not to your benefit there. But you don't want to go into the details of the how. There's a difference between coaching on the solution and coaching somebody to make a decision. You need to be able to help somebody make a decision. You have to help somebody talk through the options, whether what you're doing will actually help them. You are doing your prospect a big solid by helping them get clarity on what they want. That includes explaining different parts of what you offer and then saying, is that what you want? Does that sound effective for you? Do you want it? Do you want this piece of what I'm offering? You just need to ask.